Bob and Susie are frustrated. Bob just put his parents in a nursing home, and Susie's mom is living with them in their basement while receiving in-home health care. They feel stressed and emotionally drained. Both sets of parents have lost their savings and independence because they lacked long-term care insurance. It's become a huge burden for Bob and Susie, and they now realize they need to protect their own future. After experiencing this long-term care disaster with their parents, Bob and Susie want to protect their kids from the financial and emotional burden of having to care for them in their old age. They realize they need a long-term care insurance policy. Just imagine if Bob and Susie's parents had a long-term care policy. Instead of creating this emotional and financial burden for the family, the policy would have paid for the care and helped them maintain their independence. Could long-term care happen to you? We buy homeowners insurance for our homes, and the odds your house will burn down are 1 in 1,200. But you'd never go a day without it. We buy auto insurance for our cars, and the odds you'll have a major auto accident are 1 in 240. But again, you'd never go a day without it. The odds people 65 years and older will need long-term care before they die are 1 in 2. Yet most people don't have long-term care insurance. It doesn't make sense. The greatest risk we'll face in retirement is needing long-term care. Without long-term care insurance, we're playing the wrong odds. What is really worrying Bob and Susie is this fast-approaching dark cloud of a $250,000 per person risk for an average 3-year stay. In 20 years, that cost will be around $750,000 per person. Where will they get that kind of money? Long-term care insurance builds a shield around your nest egg, protecting you and your family from that risk so you can enjoy retirement. It allows you the freedom to take that dream vacation and enjoy spending quality time with each other. Your kids will be grateful they don't have to worry about changing your diapers or giving you that uncomfortable sponge bath because you planned ahead. Bob and Susie like this idea, but wonder how they can pay for long-term care insurance. What if they use a small portion of their investment interest to pay for the policy? They have a $100,000 IRA earning an average of 5% a year. The interest they're earning is $5,000. So if they simply take a portion of the interest from that one investment to pay for a policy, they can then protect their whole portfolio. So, getting down to business, what's the best way to buy long-term care insurance? Well, it certainly doesn't have to be the old school way. Local agent knocks on your door, plops down at your kitchen table, and won't leave until you give him a check. He's wasting your time and often trying to steer you towards the one company that pays him the most. LTC Tree is totally different. You simply fill out the form on our site, and then we'll follow up with a quick 2-minute phone call. We then mail you a side-by-side price comparison of the top 6 blue-chip LTC companies in an organized 3-ring binder. You then have the freedom to do your own research at home on your own time. When you have questions, you can email or call us when you're ready. Once you've chosen the company, we'll email you the medical questions to apply. Once approved in 4 to 8 weeks, we'll mail you your long-term care insurance policy to review. If you're comfortable with everything, then you send the check directly to the company to put it in force. Sound good? Want to learn more? Just take a few moments to request your quotes at ltctree.com and fill in the form at the bottom of the page. It's that efficient. It's that simple. LTC Tree. Save money, shop smart.